If you're seeing SIT, formerly Twitter, error code 366, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step, and most of the time you can solve it in just a few minutes. This error usually appears during login or account creation, and it often means your browser is not loading the data it needs to sign you in properly. The good news is that this is usually a browser issue, not a problem with your account. So before you panic, follow these fixes in order. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is clear the site data for X or Twitter in your browser. Corrupted cookies and cached data are one of the most common reasons for error code 366. If you're using Chrome, open your browser and go to the Settings menu. Then head to Privacy and Security. From there, look for third-party cookies or site data and open the section that lets you see all site data and permissions. In the search bar, type twitter.com or x.com. Once you find it, delete the saved data for that site. This clears out any broken session files or corrupted cookies that may be causing the missing data error. After that, refresh the page and try logging in again. If that doesn't work, the next best step is to use Incognito or private browsing mode. This is a great way to test whether extensions, cached files, or saved browser data are interfering with the login process. To do this in Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a new Incognito window. In Edge or Firefox, use the private browsing shortcut for that browser, then go directly to the X login page and try again. If X works in incognito mode, that tells you the problem is likely in your regular browser window, not with X itself. Now let's check your browser extensions. Ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and some VPN extensions can interfere with X's login verification process. That can trigger error code 366 because the site is expecting certain data, but an extension is blocking it from loading. Click the extensions icon in your browser, which usually looks like a puzzle piece. Then temporarily disable anything that could affect page loading, especially ad blockers or VPN-related extensions. Once those are turned off, reload X and try signing in again. If the error goes away, you found the cause. You should also check whether your VPN is causing the issue. Some VPNs or security filters can block parts of X's login process, especially if they change your IP address frequently or route traffic through flagged servers. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and test the login again. If that fixes it, you may need to whitelist X or use a different server later. If you're still stuck, try switching browsers completely. Sometimes the issue is specific to one browser profile, one extension set, or one stored cache location. For example, if you're using Edge, try Chrome. If you're using Chrome, try Firefox or another browser you trust. Open the X login page in the new browser and test it there. If it works, then the original browser likely has damaged data or a conflict that needs to be cleared. And if none of these steps work, you can also try resetting your browser settings or creating a fresh browser profile. That gives you a clean environment without old cookies, broken extensions, or stored site data interfering with X. In most cases though, clearing the site data and testing in incognito mode solves the problem fast. So to recap, fix X error code 366 by clearing Twitter or X site data, trying incognito mode, disabling ad blockers and VPNs, and switching browsers if needed. These steps usually solve the missing data error and get you back into your account quickly. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.